Are you tired of feeling overlooked or undervalued? It's time to flip the script and turn rejection into your greatest advantage. Welcome to the ultimate guide on reverse psychology strategies to win the mind games. In a world where being ignored can feel like a setback, we're here to show you how to harness the power of rejection to propel yourself forward. Join us as we uncover 8 powerful tips to transform setbacks into stepping stones towards success. Get ready to reclaim your confidence, master the art of resilience, and emerge victorious in the game of life. 1. Embrace ignorance. When someone ignores you, it can feel like a punch in the gut. But instead of letting it bring you down, try flipping the script. Think of it this way. If someone doesn't see your worth, it's their loss, not yours. You know your own value, so don't let their actions shake your confidence. Instead of getting upset, focus on the things that make you happy, your hobbies, your passions, the people who appreciate you. By not reacting to being ignored, you're showing that you're above seeking validation from those who don't see your worth. It's like holding up a mirror to their actions, quietly letting them know that their opinion doesn't define you. Remember, your worth isn't determined by someone else's recognition. It comes from within. So keep being yourself and let your actions speak louder than any silence from them. 2. Maintain composure. Rejection hurts, there's no denying that. But instead of letting it consume you, try a different approach. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, teaches us the power of staying calm in the face of adversity. When someone overlooks you or rejects you, pause before reacting. Take a deep breath and remind yourself that this moment doesn't define you. Rather than letting your emotions dictate your actions, focus on how you can respond positively. Show kindness, not because you expect something in return, but because it's who you are. By maintaining your composure in tough situations, you're not just getting through, you're growing stronger. This shift in mindset isn't easy, but it's worth it. By concentrating on what you can control, your actions and reactions, you're building resilience and self-assurance. 3. Let go of negativity. Being rejected can feel like a gut punch, leaving you reeling with self-doubt and negativity. But instead of wallowing in those feelings, try reframing rejection as an opportunity for growth. Admit to yourself that rejection stings, but don't let it define you. Picture yourself as a sailor in rough seas, using rejection as a push forward instead of letting it sink you. Focus on things that bring you joy and open your mind to new experiences. Surround yourself with positive people who support your dreams and aspirations. By shifting your focus from what went wrong to what could go right, you're turning rejection into a stepping stone towards a brighter future. Remember, rejection isn't the end of the road. It's just a detour on your journey to success. 4. Turn doubt into motivation. When someone doubts your abilities or questions your worth, it can be disheartening. But instead of letting their doubts bring you down, use them as fuel to prove them wrong. Maybe someone thinks you lack creativity or dedication. Now's your chance to show them just how innovative and committed you really are. Instead of seeking validation from others, focus on quietly improving yourself and let your actions speak for themselves. Take on new challenges, learn new skills, and push yourself to be the best you can be. By turning their doubt into motivation, you're not only proving them wrong, you're also building your own confidence and self-esteem. So don't let rejection hold you back. Use it as an opportunity to rise above and show the world what you're truly capable of. 5. Demonstrate strength. Getting rejected can feel like a blow to your confidence, but it's also an opportunity to show just how strong you really are. Instead of letting rejection bring you down, Take some time to gather your thoughts and then showcase your skills and abilities. Maybe you didn't get that promotion or someone overlooked you in a meeting. Instead of feeling sorry for yourself, use that energy to lead a new project or show off what you're good at. Just because one door closes doesn't mean there aren't other opportunities waiting for you. Think of rejection as a push to explore different avenues and try new things. It's your chance to shine even brighter and prove that you're capable of achieving great things regardless of setbacks. So don't let rejection define you. Use it as motivation to show the world just how strong and resilient you truly are. 6. Utilize silence. When someone ignores you or rejects you, it can be tempting to lash out or seek revenge. But instead of letting your emotions get the best of you, consider the power of silence. By choosing not to respond or engage with someone who has rejected you, you're reclaiming your power and showing that their opinion doesn't have control over you. Silence doesn't mean you're giving up or being passive. It's a deliberate choice to focus on your own well-being and priorities. Use this time of silence to reflect on your feelings and goals and to find peace within yourself. By staying silent, you're sending a powerful message that you value yourself too much to chase after someone who doesn't appreciate you. It's a way of saying, I know my worth, and I won't let anyone else dictate how I feel about myself. 7. Find joy in life. Rejection can leave us feeling down and discouraged, but it's important to remember that there's still plenty of joy to be found in life. Instead of dwelling on the negative, make a conscious effort to seek out happiness in the little things. Whether it's indulging in a hobby you love, spending time with friends and family, or simply enjoying a beautiful day outdoors, finding joy can help lift your spirits and remind you that life is still worth living. Surround yourself with positivity and embrace opportunities for connection and laughter. By focusing on the good things in life, you can help counteract the effects of rejection and build resilience in the face of adversity. Remember, happiness is a choice, and even in the darkest of times, there is always a glimmer of light waiting to be found. 8. Enhance your social value. Being rejected or overlooked can make us feel invisible, but it's important to remember that our worth isn't determined by the opinions of others. Instead of seeking validation from external sources, focus on improving yourself and getting involved in your community. Take up new hobbies, volunteer, or pursue opportunities for personal growth. By investing in yourself and your interests, you can build confidence and create meaningful connections with others who share your passions. Remember, social value isn't about popularity or status. It's about being true to yourself and contributing positively to the world around you. So don't let rejection hold you back. Use it as an opportunity to focus on personal growth and cultivate a strong sense of self-worth. In conclusion, navigating rejection and overcoming the feelings of being ignored or undervalued can be challenging, but it's essential to remember that our worth isn't determined by the opinions of others. Each of the strategies discussed offers valuable insights into how we can maintain our self-respect, cultivate resilience, and prioritize our own happiness and well-being. Whether it's finding joy in life, demonstrating strength in the face of rejection, or choosing to stay silent and guard our emotions, these approaches empower us to take control of our own narrative and define our self-worth.